Universal Reads Kids Channel. ABCD Learning. Let's start.
A for apple, red and round and good to eat. A for apple, sweet and neat. B for ball, big and bouncy, throw it high. B for ball goes to the sky. C for cat, soft and fluffy, says meow meow. C for cat is sleeping now. D for dog, wagging tail and barking loud. D for dog, says bow wow proud. E for elephant, big and strong with trunk so long. E for elephant, oh so strong. F for fish, swimming softly in the sea. F for fish, come swim with me. G for goat, jumping high and saying ma. G for goat, la la la. H for hen, lays an egg every day. H for hen goes cluck cluck hey. I for ice cream, cold and tasty, yum yum treat. I for ice cream, super sweet. J for jug, fill it up and pour some tea. J for jug, for you and me. K for kite, flying high in the blue sky. K for kite goes way up high. L for lion, king of jungle, strong and bold. L for lion, brave and gold. M for monkey, jumping, dancing, full of fun. M for monkey, number 1. M for nest, birdies live inside so small. N for nest, home for all. O for orange, round and juicy, orange bright. O for orange, what delight. P for parrot, colorful and talk so sweet. P for parrot, repeat, repeat. Q for queen, wears a crown so shiny bright. Q for queen, looks just right. R for rabbit, hopping, hopping all day long. R for rabbit is never wrong. K for sun, gives us light and keeps us warm. S for sun in every form. L for lion, roaring loud and running fast. T for tiger, first to laugh. M for monkey, jumping, dancing, full of fun. M for monkey, number 1. M for nest, birdies live inside so small. N for nest, home for all. O for orange, round and juicy, orange bright. O for orange, what delight. P for parrot, colorful and talk so sweet. P for parrot, repeat, repeat. Y for yo-yo, up and down it goes all day. Y for yo-yo, let's all play. Z for zebra, black and white and fast and tall. Z for zebra, last of all.